Hey guys, it's your toy store, and today we will be doing day 5 of our advent calendar series. This time I'm going to be filming a little bit different because taking them off the shelves and resetting them up was a little bit time consuming. So I'm going to open each day and build them all on the table. That way you guys can see it be built a little bit better. We're going to get started with day 5 as soon as I can find it. This one is the Lego City Advent Calendar. So we will just get started. We will be building this lady for Lego City. I'm going to leave this right here for now, and we will move on to the next one to open, and then I will open them in the same order down below. So this is the Star Wars Advent Calendar. We'll be building this guy, or this stand. So on this one, we are going to just take day 5. And we will be building maybe a window? I think it's a window. Oh, a lot of pieces. Okay, so this is the pieces for the Lego City, where we are building a, let me open this first, where we are building the little, she's not really old, but the little lady. So she's wearing some festive colored overalls. Her face, her hair, and a croissant. There we go. There is her all finished. She has a nice braid. Sorry if you can hear that, it's my dog outside. And we will move on to the Lego Star Wars one. They give you such big bags for only a couple pieces. I feel like they should give you smaller bags. So this one is the little platform, I guess, of the guy. So on top of this piece, you're going to stack this piece. These two pieces, which are going to hold the guns. This red little piece. Oh. And then you're going to top that off with this, I believe. This piece goes to the side of it. This one on top. Then we will just put the guns in there. And the helmet. So now if you wanted to, you could put this on one of your other characters. This is the one we built yesterday. But if he doesn't want to be so festive, we can go ahead and put him in this. But for now, I'm going to put the hat on the stand and the Santa Claus hat back on. Well, not Santa, yeah. back on the character. And put this back up there. The last one for today is the window. This one has a lot of bigger pieces this time. Something to actually build, because if you remember, the last two have been only like 4 pieces. So this white one is going to be the base for today. And we are going to put that's what it looks so far. This green piece is going to snap on here somehow. I think this might actually, let me pull this off, be a door. Because I think this is a wreath. Oh, there we go. Snap that back on there. You take one of the little white mini pieces and put it in here. And the red one right here. I think it might just be a door that opens. The little window piece goes here. Snap the window pieces. On there. If this one will cooperate. I don't think it matters. There we go. Which way it goes. Oh, I forgot the little purple piece. Thought I was missing something. And this piece on top. It could maybe be like a little stand, a door, a window. But this is what we made for day 5 for the Lego Friends Advent Calendar. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and comment down below telling us what you want to see next.